With KHON2 weather, Justin Cruz.
Tomorrow, partly cloudy and windy. The windy weather does stick around. You will get your sunshine, you'll get your blue sky, just like we saw today. But things may be flying down the road with these gusty winds. So the weather threats include strong winds as well as surf that is generated by strong winds. Let's talk about rain. We have a few showers moving through, but that's nothing compared to what we'll see starting on Friday, which is our next storm system. It sits out west. It's going to drop a cold front over the islands starting on Friday. The Friday rain doesn't look that intense. The Saturday and Sunday stuff, that does, and we could see heavy rain on top of the fact that we could also have a few thunderstorms popping up. This is Sunday afternoon, 3 p.m. Then Monday rolls around, and it's still wet, but the rain doesn't look to be as intense. Same with Tuesday. We dry out on Wednesday. That's really what you need to know, is that we will have strong winds through Thursday, and on top of that, heavy rain kicks in Friday and lasts through next week, Tuesday, or just showers in general with the heaviest stuff on Saturday and Sunday. Right now, we've got a few windward showers, nothing out of the ordinary. Kauai radar is down, so you can't see any returns. But it's been just like everywhere else, just a few light showers for windward areas, and they're moving fast with those gusty winds. We'll have those winds through at least Thursday or so. Those same winds have triggered a high surf advisory for the east shores, while everywhere else, no more than 2 to 4 footers. Rough waters, though, the whole state is under a small craft advisory. Windy Wednesday, windy Thursday. Showers begin Friday. They get heavy Saturday and Sunday and last through Tuesday of next week.